Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the Hot Wheels 2026 Car Culture Team Transport FLF 56 K case. So the K case is Mix 2 for 2026. This case comes over from Stop Diecast. As always, all my premium cases come from Stop Diecast. So thank you, Stop Diecast, for sending this case over. Obviously, thank you for your support. It means a lot to not just me, but I know some of the viewers here on the OTD YouTube channel as well. So, all right. So we're just gonna start pulling because team transport cases are a little bit different here. Just a little bit. I mean, there's only 4 pieces in the in the case. Obviously, well, in this case, 3 sets. 2 of which, or 1 of which, is a repeat. That is the first one out of this case. Let me just carry really quick here, and it is the number 90 set. It is the RTR set, which comes with the 2024 Ford Mustang RTR Spec 5 FD and the Aero lift. So very cool set here. I'm actually loving my growing collection of RTR Ford Mustangs. Started with the previous casting, which was kind of I think it was branded as both in 2018 and a 2020. I forgot what the base says on that car, but this one is the newer casting of the 2. It is the 2024 version of the car. I think we've only seen one version of this release so far, or this casting. And it's got, just like the previous release, it's got the Aero disc on the back with the kind of the tampo print on the Aero disc. You see the vents coming out the back window. Very cool, aggressive styling, as always with with the Mustang. And that sits on top of the Aero lift. The Aero lift has been used before, but it does carry the RTR branding here on the sides. It actually isn't the first time we've seen the RTR branding on a Team Transport model before, but the Aero lift does look pretty good with the Ford Mustang here. Yeah, just very cool details. Very cool. Oh yeah, I was kind of looking at the back here. The back looked like it was missing a piece, but then I just realized it was kind of like the Aero, how the Aero is set up on the back, the body kit. Yeah, very cool release of the Mustang, the 2024 Ford Mustang RTR. All right, so obviously quite the collection here with the Mustangs. And we'll put that off to the side. Another release in this case is the number 91. I'll get my fingers out of the way. Number 91. I guess we'll call it the Yenko set. It contains the 66 Chevrolet Corvair Yenko Stinger in red now, and the 72 Chevy Ramp Truck. So both castings we've seen before. We'll start with the Corvair. We've seen it a couple times already in white, and this one in red is obviously a nice departure from the white versions. It's got the Yenko deco, licensed deco, which is really nice, and then the 6 roundel on the sides and on top. Very cool casting. I love the rear riders here. You got the kind of the Trans Am Watanabe style rims on here in white, and then the 72 Chevy Ram Truck makes a reappearance. We've seen this in, I think, in red and blue, if I'm not mistaken already. Very cool kind of square body style Chevy. I think that the first, I don't know. So I'm actually really surprised, given the popularity of square bodies, that this one isn't more popular. But man, I don't know. Maybe we'll stick it. Maybe we'll stick a 83 Chevy Silverado on the back, and those things will fly off the shelves then. But you got the SYC. I think that's for Yenko, right? That's the Yenko. And then you obviously got the Yenko logo on the doors. But yeah, very nice version of the Ramp Truck. And then the last set out of this case is the Mercedes set. I call it the vintage Mercedes set. This is number 89 for Team Transport. So we're already over 91 Team Transport releases, and that's not counting Legends or special releases like the Supreme one. But this one carries a new casting in the Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR. So kind of an open air roadster version of the Mercedes SLR. I'm not sure what year that is. but obviously, you know, pretty vintage. Yeah, just I guess, yeah, God, I want to say it's like 60s, but I could be wrong. I'm not very good at the vintage years of cars. But the carries the kind of, I think they're the rims in here are the real red or ovals, which actually I think they debuted on the IndyCar in the IndyCar series, and now they make their way onto this vintage Mercedes. Very cool. Got the double kind of the double headrest, you know, rollover bars, whatever you want to call them, on the back. I got the chopped windshield on this one. What I really love is the color brick with the side pipes. See how the side pipes stick out the side of the casting, and it's actually worked into the trim as well. There's actually a part break between the body and the base that comes up, and it's chrome, so that's really cool. And yeah, so then the seats are blue, so that's not part of the interior piece. So that's actually there's actually at least five pieces in this casting. So, and this sits on top of the Mercedes-Benz Renntransporter. You may remember this one. It's kind of a funky one, and I think we've only seen it in blue thus far. We saw it in a premium display set, and we saw it in a standard Team Transport release in blue. It's called the Blaues Wunder, right? And now it's just renamed as the Renntransporter in silver. So definitely a cool transporter that can carry. I mean, there's so many silver Mercedes out there, and some vintage ones at that. So you could probably put any one of those on this one, and it would look great. And yeah, with the silver versus the blue, which one was probably a little more. I don't know. I'm not sure if many would go together with the blue. I guess it's the vintage transporter, but the cool thing about this one, you can see the spare tires on the bottom. That's pretty cool as well. But that's the set. That's the K case. That is mix 2 for Team Transport. I know that the L case, which is mix 3, is imminent. That one has a new casting in it for Team Transporter. But we'll get to that when we get there. Again, thank you Stop Diecast for sending this case over. A really cool mix. I don't think it's all that popular. There's no like standout like gotta have it or rush the pegs. Gotta scalp these. Version of a set in this one. So I know, and I've seen these at retailer actually already. So and I've seen them all 3 sets. So I know that they're available if you want them. So go out and get them, because there are some cool versions, and definitely some underrated. Obviously, you have a new casting. Not much of a following that yet there, but I think it is a pretty cool vintage Mercedes car. I think this Stinger is definitely underrated. The Yenko Stinger, very cool casting, very cool Corvair casting that is definitely overrated. And I think really the set, and I think maybe that's why it's 2 to a case here. The set here is the RTR Mustang. This one is definitely a must-have for me and my growing RTR Mustang collection. As always, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. I know Stop Diecast appreciates you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.